before we start the challenge, which I'm really excited about,
Yeah.
what are your top tips for packing for a family?
Always roll and not fold. So when you have a big towel like this, you basically just want to roll it like this, and obviously you create more space in your suitcase and just shove it in the corner, and then that's more room. Second tip, 2-for-1 multi-purpose items, and I absolutely love this cold shoulder dress. Think about it, you're going out during the daytime, even on the beach.
Gorgeous.
Yeah,
It's
really
stunning,
beautiful.
and you've basically got day to night in one hit.
Love
so
it.
you want items like this.
And hang on a second, you took the dress out of the hat.
Exactly, watch. So that's my last tip, but it's really, really essential. You always have a sun hat, and think about the shape of your sun hat. You want to keep it in your suitcase. So what you do is you shove your clothes in there. Good to go.
Perfect.
Right. Now, you guys both have 20 seconds each on the clock to pack a suitcase each.
She's a neat freak.
Are you ready?
But after the 20 seconds are up, I will be inspecting both your suitcases.
Yes.
Ready, steady, go.
Okay.
Oh, okay. See, roll. I can see rolling going on.
Oh, no, we're gonna do
good.
that.
Oh, Denise has got it. Getting that in there.
What's she got?
Oh, utilising space. I see that. Great sun hat. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Oh, it's becoming a type.
Three, two, one.
Stop, guys. Step away from the suitcase. Step away from the suitcase.
Ow.
Cheating. I can see cheating going on. I can see cheating.
Okay.
Oh, I
Right.
can see a bit of tucking and a bit of rolling and no folding.
Not a very neat
That's
roll, though.
50-50. I can see you utilising space with your bikinis
Thrown
and
in,
your
just
sandals.
thrown in.
But maybe you should have tucked it in the bag. But that's
Yeah,
not,
they're
that's
gonna
not
break.
bad. That's
They'll
not
break in
bad.
there.
But let's move over to Denise.
Let's have a look
We'll
at
get
mine.
back.
Okay, there you go. And I even managed to close my suitcase.
Oh, Miss
so that
Lee,
when it's
go
on the conveyor belt, everything won't
That's a
fall
valid
out.
point.
Voila!
I have to admit,
Oh.
Denise, you get 10 out of 10 for utilising the space. Can we see their earrings?
Right, so there we go. I've put everything in there. And do you know
In
what I've
the-
done? I've
You
even
looked at me
put-
like a naughty child.
I even put the sunglasses
That is
underneath the
actually
padded
really
bikini
good.
top to protect them.
For cushioning.
Great
thinking. So that is actually
hat's
a
out.
really...
Right.
Look how rolled that towel is.
What a neat roll that is.
I mean, can we all say this is a really good, well-packed
How do you like
suitcase?
me now?
So, guys, one of you, the ultimate family packer, who's going to be the winner? It goes to Denise.
Oh,
Denise is
thank
the winner.
you. Well, I got some good
ultimate
tips.
family
It's all
packer.
right. Thank you so much.
It's all right, I won't cry.
Oh, fabulous. Well, that's all we've got time for. Thanks so much to lovely Lisa and Victoria for sharing your holiday hacks with us. Wherever you're off to with the family this summer, have fun and we will see you soon. Happy holidays! Yay!